If you've lost access to your Wise account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Wise website. Go to the official Wise website and click on the login button. If you can't access your account, look for the Need Help or Forgot Password link. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the Astra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check your email. Once you've submitted your information, check your email for any messages from Wise. They may send you a verification link or further instructions to help you regain access. Step 4. Follow recovery instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided in the email. This may involve resetting your password or confirming your identity through additional security measures. Step 5. Secure your account. After regaining access, take steps to secure your account. Update your password to a strong one, enable two-factor authentication, and review your recent transactions for any unauthorized activity. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Wise account and enhance its security. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.